You think closing apps on your iPhone saves battery. It doesn't. In fact, you might actually be making it worse. And almost everyone does this every single day without realizing it. Whenever your phone feels a little slow or your battery drops faster than expected, what's the first thing you do? You swipe up. You clear every single app from the screen. And for a moment, it feels productive. It feels like you just cleaned something important. But here's the truth. Your iPhone was never meant to be used that way. iOS is designed to freeze apps in the background. They are not running fully. They are not actively draining your battery. They enter a suspended state where they use almost no resources at all. Your phone manages memory automatically, much better than we think. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you force close an app, the next time you open it, your iPhone has to reload everything from scratch. It has to reprocess data, refresh memory, restart background tasks. And that actually uses more CPU power and more battery than simply letting the app stay suspended. So instead of saving battery, you're increasing the workload. Try this yourself. Open any heavy app, close it from the app switcher. Now reopen it. Notice the loading time. Now open it again later without force closing it first. It opens almost instantly because it was already suspended and ready to resume. That reload process is what consumes extra energy. Apple engineers have mentioned this before. Force closing apps should only be done when an app is frozen, crashing, or not responding properly. It is not meant to be a daily habit. The reason we keep doing it is psychological. We associate clearing things with optimization. On a computer, that sometimes made sense. But smartphones are different. They are built to manage resources automatically. They are designed to be smarter than manual micromanagement. Your iPhone already knows how to handle background apps. When you interfere constantly, you're not helping it. You're just making it work harder. So the next time your battery drops, don't panic and swipe everything away. Let your phone do its job. Sometimes doing less is actually the smarter move. And if you want to understand how your phone really works instead of just following common habits, make sure you subscribe. Because most tech routines people follow every day are based on myths, not facts.